Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I wasn't going to make a video on this, but I thought you might want to see it. So I completely forgot that I bought this, and it was sitting in goods in work for however long it had been there. But yeah, this is Peco Products GR-910. It's L&B box van. It's the Santa's Workshop Christmas 2023. How exciting! Have you got the tree up? Probably. But I just thought I'd show you. I mean, I know a lot of people are into this kind of thing, and I remember pre-ordering it. I thought, well, maybe it'll get me to do something with my 009 gauge, because I've done nothing with it since I've had it. So I thought, yeah, hell, let's just show it. So yeah, it comes in cracking packaging, nice hard case. I don't know why a lot more stuff doesn't come in this kind of packaging. And if you've ever seen some of my videos on kind of like Bachman's packaging on certain things, where it just comes in this horrendous blister packaging, I've never understood that yet. These tiny products come in these hard cases, which are great. So yeah, and if you can get into them, obviously. So I thought I didn't make you watch me struggle to peel off these stickers, so I could open it up just so you could have a look. Don't worry, this video is short. But this is my first actual 009 anything other than the track that I bought from Peco. That was quite a while ago. I had all the intentions in the world to do something with it, and I just didn't do it. But I thought, right, if I buy this, I'll get around to it. I really like the packaging, and I especially like the way that the plastic bottom holds the wagon on. So it's not just flip-flapping around in the casing. Are you listening, Dapple? Dapple, are you listening? You know, don't just throw it in the plastic case so it wobbles around like a granny on a school bus. Why would grannies be on a school bus? A granny on a bus on her way to get her scampi, a discount for the old pensioners? What am I talking about? But yeah, I like this system. I think it's pretty good. I don't know. Sorry, it's been a long day. So yeah, it's a lovely looking little wagon. I'm not really into this kind of Christmassy themed stuff, but you know, a lot of people like this kind of stuff. So I thought, hell, you know, when I realized it was actually sitting there and I in goods, it'd been a while, because it was just in like a blank sort of cardboard box. So I didn't really pay much attention to it. So plastic wheels, metal wheels would have been a bit better, but you know, especially at 25 quid. Did I not mention the price? This was 25 quid. And as much as it's quite pretty, metal wheels would have been nice for 25 quid. I mean, when you consider what you can buy for 25 quid. It's quite weighty, a little bit of weight to it, which is quite surprising. And yeah, that's about it. It's not really a review. I just thought you might want to see it, because I know a lot of people have probably seen this and thought, should I not? There's an N-gauge. Oh, excuse me. There's an N-gauge version as well, but no 00 gauge, which I'm aware of, which is a bit of a shame. I think they might have missed out a little bit there. But yeah, just, you know, something nice and light-hearted today, just so you can have a look at, and let me know what you think. I'm interested.